Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your Isuzu D-Max infotainment system can be frustrating. These issues often stem from software glitches, power supply problems, or connectivity issues. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 seconds until the system reboots. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by disconnecting the battery for 5 minutes with the engine off. Make sure your battery is healthy and delivering a stable 12 volts. Check the fuses related to the infotainment system in the fuse box under the dashboard. Connectivity issues can arise from outdated firmware, so ensure Bluetooth and USB connections are properly paired and updated. This will solve a majority of common problems. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, update your system's firmware through Isuzu's app or a dealership. These updates fix bugs and improve stability. For persistent issues, see a certified Isuzu technician for hardware diagnosis. They may use an OBD2 tool to scan error codes. The future includes AI-driven systems with over-the-air updates, predictive diagnostics, and 5G connectivity for faster updates and real-time data. Proactive maintenance and regular software updates are essential for keeping your infotainment system healthy.